Hey everyone, welcome back to Immortal Solution. Today we're talking about something that's crucial for staying healthy, boosting your immune system. We'll explore the top 10 superfoods that can help strengthen your immune system and keep you feeling your best. So if you're ready to supercharge your health, make sure to stick around. Before we dive into our list, let's quickly talk about why superfoods are so beneficial. Superfoods are nutrient-dense foods that are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients can help strengthen your immune system, improve overall health, and prevent illness. All right, let's get into the top 10 superfoods that you should include in your diet to boost your immune system. Blueberries, packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Blueberries help combat oxidative stress and strengthen your immune response. They're perfect for adding to smoothies or eating as a snack. Spinach. Spinach is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants like beta-carotene. It helps support the immune system and has anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with powerful immune-boosting properties. It can help fight off infections and improve overall immune function. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It can help boost immunity and reduce the severity of colds and flu. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. They help reduce inflammation and support immune health. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are all high in vitamin C, which is known for its immune-boosting benefits. Enjoy them fresh or in juices. Almonds. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, an important antioxidant for immune health. They're also a great source of healthy fats and proteins. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It can help support a healthy immune system. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins. It supports immune function and has antiviral properties. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system. Now that you know the top superfoods, let's talk about how to include them in your diet. Smoothies. Add blueberries, spinach, and chia seeds to your morning smoothie for a nutritious boost. Salads. Toss in spinach and almonds for a crunchy, immune-boosting salad. Soups. Make a hearty soup with garlic, ginger, and sweet potatoes for a comforting meal. Snacks. Enjoy almonds as a quick snack or add citrus fruits to your daily diet. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips for maintaining a healthy immune system. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your body hydrated and support overall health. Get regular exercise. Exercise helps improve circulation and boosts immune function. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your immune system. Manage stress. Chronic stress can weaken your immune system, so find ways to relax and de-stress. And that's it. Our ultimate guide to the top 10 superfoods for boosting your immune system. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're excited to add these superfoods to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any favorite superfoods or tips for boosting immunity? Drop a comment below and share with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.